Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am still Carlo Gechkome, your Enugu-based fashion designer. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to sew a very light and stretchy mesh fabric without gum stay as a base for the collar or the button and buttonhole area. Just sewing this fabric together without measures to keep your stitches tight and your work neatly finished may make it loosen and embarrass someone. This is why I am first of all overlapping the shoulder line of the back panel on the front to sew. Afterwards, fold in towards the front panel, covering the edges of the overlapped side and stitch stretch down on the sides of the fold. Watch as I do it. Here is what it should look like once you're done. You will carry out this same process while joining the sleeves to the shoulders, round both armholes. I mostly do this when I don't have double back yokes to join the front panels in between, because it leaves those areas inside out neat with tightly secured stitches, hence saving you time, cost, and from fear of loosening stitches. Don't worry, once I'm done, I will give you a closer view. And remember, as you are overlapping and folding to sew, be calculative not to take anything more than ½ inch of the sewing allowance so you don't reduce the size of the outfit. I hope you're enjoying and understanding this video and you want to see more of my videos. Just tap on the subscribe button, like, share and comment on this video and my other videos. Also leave your notification bell on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I make posts. Can you see how neat and secure the joints and stitches are looking? You remember that 0.7 inches I put while drafting the sleeve band? See the need for it as I fold to sew. If I had left it straight as I measured 14 inches, it will make the band area too short in length, which will not come out fine. To join the sides of this shirt, it is still the overlapping pattern starting from the sleeves down to the base of the shirt. Remember, I won't be weaving this shirt, so this is the need for the overlapping stitches before turning to stitch on both sides, forming a parallel line. I will repeat same on this other side of the shirt. To fold and stitch your button and buttonhole sides, you either fold in or backwards. It's your choice to make, but I folded inwards. Before you fix the collar, measure the neck of your shirt. Make sure it's accurate before you trim, so you don't cut too deep or less for the collar to fit in. I will be making use of the collar pattern to form the collar on the fabric using iron and chalk. After which I will trim out the excesses on the folding and use chalk to trace the upper parts of the pattern on the fabric. Then use pins to hold the fold together before placing the back panel under the front. Then sew the fold on the front facing of the collar before sewing the front and back panel of the collar together, and trim out the excesses afterward. Then turn inside out, and then fix it onto the neckline of the shirt. For the shirt length measurement, which is 23.5 inches, mark it out and fold inside, then use iron to press it down. Then sew together. What do you think? Have you learned anything? Can you share this with me on the comments below? I'll be waiting to hear your response. And lastly, fixing my label wraps up our sewing. Here's the outcome of all the double stitching, foldings. Alright, stay tuned for more. Bye. Thanks for watching.